Hi everyone, this is Maki and thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to explain about tofu, which is Japanese traditional food, as some of you may know. Its history is dating back over 1,000 years. Recently, it has become popular worldwide as a healthy food. But do you know why it's good for your health? Also, it's perfect food for those seeking beauty, as it offers benefit for skin beauty and anti-aging. So, the contents are nutrients of tofu. What makes effective for health and beauty? Types of tofu. There are many varieties and tofu recipes that anyone in the world could make. It's unique and easy. Well, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to explain about tofu's healthy side. One is protein. I know that it is, common sense, but protein is essential part of nutrients that build muscles, of course, bones, blood, skin, and hair. However, maintaining good protein intake is not just about consuming any protein. Ideally, you should balance animal protein with plant-based proteins. Tofu is high-quality protein containing essential amino acid in balanced ratio. Essential fatty acid. Tofu's fatty acids are rich in linoleic acid. As you know, excessive consumption of animal fats can elevate LDL cholesterol level. Linoleic acid can help increase HDL cholesterol and prevent blood vessels aging, suppresses stroke and heart disease. Lecithin promotes can improve liver function. Thus, it is especially beneficial to eat tofu when drinking alcohol. Additionally, lecithin activates brain cells and may prevent dementia. For the beauty. As a flavor, this is the rare and beneficial nutrient that tofu and soybeans only could provide. Soy isoflavones are often called plant estrogens because they function similarly to the female hormone estrogen. Estrogen promotes collagen production, which helps maintain beautiful skin. It supports youthful and moisturized skin by boosting skin metabolism. Consuming soy isoflavones helps enhance this estrogenic effect. Vitamin E. The primary effect of vitamin E is antioxidant action. Oxidation leads to aging. Therefore, consuming vitamin E helps maintain youthful appearance and body function. It also prevents skin aging, including spots, wrinkles, loss of elasticity, and dryness. Type of tofu. Tofu is believed to be introduced in Japan from China between 7th to 9th century. By the Edo period, which is 17th to 19th century, it was widely consumed throughout the country. A book called Tofu Hyakukin, which means 100 Ways to Cook Tofu, and it was the best seller. So it proves how tofu was popular. Some of the Edo recipes are still cooked in the Britain. There are two main types of tofu. Momen first tofu. Momen tofu was made since ancient times. It was called, or it is called, momen, and Momen means cotton clothes. Momen was placed in the mold used to make tofu, leaving pattern of the clothes weave on the surface. Kinugoshi tofu, silken tofu. It is soft, smooth tofu, thus called silken tofu. The name silken just comes from the texture. Silk isn't used in its production. It's smooth, easy, and ready to eat quality. Makes it perfect for simple preparation. Secondly, production of tofu. Soy milk. I think many of you have tried soy milk before. Unflavored soy milk tastes nearly identical to tofu, but has some smell. Some people find this smell unpleasant. So, flavored soy milk rivers are sold in Japan. Koya tofu. Koya tofu is preserved tofu, made by firstly freezing tofu and aging it at low temperature and drying it. When it's eaten, it is rehydrated in water and flavored by simmering in broth or using similar method. Then it will be lighter, softer, and spongy texture. Atsudage, made by flying kinugoshi tofu, silken tofu. Because of its thickness, atsudage is not fried thoroughly and maintains its soft texture inside. So, it is also called namaage, well-fried tofu. Japanese tofu menus. Tofu is an ingredient that is used almost every day, if I'm not saying too much. It can be eaten plain with seasonings, steamed, grilled, or added in hot pot. Its versatility makes it suitable ingredients in a wide variety of recipes. Here are some of the most commonly prepared recipes in Japanese homes. Miso soup. Of course, miso soup. Most of miso soup include tofu as an ingredient. Rather, it could be considered its signature ingredient. Miso has also different characters at place to place, thus each household and region has its own distinct flavor. Yudofu. Its basic ingredients are tofu, water, and kombu seaweed. Often, dipping sauce are added to taste. Typically, kombu is placed in the pot first, and tofu and water are added, and the pot is heated. Once burnt, it's done. Easy, right? You take tofu and eat with dipping sauce, or whatever you want. It's often eaten in winter. Hiyayakko. Hiyayakko is chilled tofu, and both silken and firm toast are used. It's topped with seasoning and usually eaten with soy sauce. You can find easily if you go visit izakaya. Hiyayakko is very popular, especially in summer. Other dishes include mapo shirae, which is tofu dressed with sesame sauce, sukiyaki, agedofu, which is fried tofu, and tengaku. Then, your tofu recipes. If you're vegan and want some good protein, how about tofu meat? It is a soy-based substitute for ground meat. Ingredients: tofu. Recipe: cut the tofu into an adequate size, wrap them in plastic wrap, and place them in freezer for about 6 hours, or until it becomes solid. After 6 hours, remove the tofu and place it on a microwave-safe plate. Set the microwave for 2 minutes. Then flip them over and microwave it for another 1 or 2 minutes until melted. Let cool slightly Then squeeze out excess water. Place the tofu in a plastic bag and knead until it's finely crumbled. Tofu cheese. Ingredients: tofu, 1 teaspoon of salt. Recipe: sprinkle the salt over the drained tofu. Wrap the tofu tightly in 2 layers of kitchen paper. Place a weight on top and refrigerate overnight. If you have time, change the kitchen paper halfway through. After a day, the moisture will be drawn out and tofu is slightly shrinking. This process intensifies its elasticity and umami, resulting in a pleasantly chewy texture similar to cheese. You can use this for sandwiches, caprese, or just sprinkle in salad. Just eating it tastes good too. I'm wrapping up. Tofu is really rare ingredient. It has been used for more than 1,000 years and the way they use hasn't changed much. So it can be said that tofu is one of the representative of Japanese cuisine or Japanese ingredient. In Japan, tofu can be found everywhere, and everyone knows that tofu is very nutritious food. I don't know any other ingredients such as tofu that recognized so long. I wouldn't say that tofu is super food, but it surely supported Japanese nutrition from shogunate to regular citizens. I'm pretty sure that tofu will support Japanese nutrient and food continuously. That's about it now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.